Okay, next. Number 3. Manjit used 220 liter for the water each day. She reduced the amount of the water she used by 15. Calculate the number of the liter she used each day. Okay, so since she reduced by 15, yeah, so they use now it's 85 over 100 times 220. So this one times 220, so it's 187. Next, Manjit has two mathematically similar bottle in her bathroom. The large, okay, so this is the length one. Yeah, the length of the large one is sorry, the volume. This is the volume of the large one is 1.35 liter, and then the height one is 29.7 centimeter, and then the small bottle, the volume of the second one is 0.4 liter, and then find the height. The height. So remember, this is the similarity of the volume. The similarity of the volume, we have V1 volume over volume 2 is H cube over H2 cube. Okay, let's say this is X. Yeah. So we have V1 1.35 over 0.4 equal to 3.229.7 over x cube. Okay, to cross multiply. So then we have 1.35 x cube equal to 0.4 times 229.7 cube. Okay, okay, so then we have x cube equal to 0.4 times 29.7 cube over 1.35. So then x equal to cube root of 0.4 times 29.7 cube over 1.35. Okay, so it's cube root of 0.4 times 29.7 to the power of 3 over 1.35. Okay, so the answer is, so x is 19.8. Next, water from Manjit shower flow at the rate 12 liter per minute. So the rate is 12 liter per minute. The water from the shower flow into the tank with the cuboid with the length is 90 centimeter and width is 75 centimeter. Calculate the increase in the level water in the tank when the shower is used for 7 minutes. Okay, so find the volume first. Yeah, the volume, because this is in already the time is 7 minutes, so it's 12 times 7. So the volume of the water that uh, flow from shower is 12 times 7 is 84 liter. Convert into centimeter cube. So 84,000 centimeter cube. Now calculate the increase of the level of the water. Okay, so this is volume of a cuboid is the length times weight times height, right? So this is 84,000 equal to 90 times 75 times the height. So the height will be 84,000 divided by 90 times 75. So then we have height is 90 times 75. So it's 12.4 centimeter. Okay, next. A solid metal cone has the radius and the slant height that one. Okay, so I show you the draw the cone. Okay, yeah. So the radius here is 1.65 and then the slant height is 4.70. Calculate the total surface area. Okay, so for the total surface area is the curve, curve area plus a circle or a base. So this is pi times r times l plus pi r square. Okay, so pi times r is 1.65 times 4.70 plus pi times 1.65 square. Okay, it's pi times 1.65 4.7 plus. Okay, so the answer is 32.9160, rounding up into 32.9. Find the angle the slant height make with the base of the cone. Okay, so basically this is the circle. I draw it bigger so we can see the angle. Okay, so this one, this is the radius, this is the slant height, this is the radius. So find this angle. Yeah, let's say this angle is theta. Okay, so this is a theta. Yeah, so find the theta. Because this is adjacent 1.65 and then the slant height 4.70. So this is adjacent over hypotenuse is cos theta equal to 1.65 over 4.70. So the theta is cos inverse of 1.65 over 4.70. Okay, so inverse cos of 1.65 over 4.70. Okay, so the answer is 69.447625. Okay, rounding up into one decimal place, so 69.4. 69.4. Calculate the volume of the cone. Okay, so to find the volume of the cone, we need the height. Yeah, so this one is the height. Yeah, so to find the height, we need Pythagoras theorem. So height square equal to 4.70 square minus 1.65 square. Yeah, so then we have the height is 4.70 square minus 1.65 square. So then we have the height is 4.7 square minus 1.65 square. So the answer is 4.4. 4.4. Now Yeah, find the volume. It's 1 over 3 pi r square h. So it's 1 over 3 times pi. Yeah, time the radius is 1.65 square. Time the height is 4.4. Okay, so the volume is 1 over 3 times pi times 1.65 square times so it's 12.54680.906. Okay, you round it up into three significant figure, so 12.5. Okay, next. A metal sphere with radius 5 centimeter is melted down to make cone, yeah, identical to this one. Okay, calculate the number of complete identical. Okay, so find the volume of the sphere first. So find the volume of the sphere is uh, 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 pi r cube. So 4 over 3 pi, the radius is 5 cube. So then we have uh, 4 over 3 times pi times 5 cube. So the answer is 528.5987756. So number of number of cones is 2, or volume of sphere divided by volume of cone. So 2. Okay, so volume of sphere divided by volume of cone. So 523.5987756 divided by 12.54680.906. Okay, divided by 12.54680.906. So the answer is 41.7316285. So because this is the number of complete cone means the whole number. So it's 41. Okay, next. Okay, this is uh, algebra. Make it into single fraction. Okay, so x minus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, and then this is x plus 3 times x plus 2 minus x minus 2 times x minus 3. Okay, expand, and so we have x squared plus 2x. Wait, okay, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 minus x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Okay, over, don't expand the denominator, yeah. Okay, okay, open the bracket. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus x, this is negative 5, so plus x squared. Negative 5 times negative, so it's positive 5x, and then minus 6 over x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay, so x minus x is gone, 6 minus 6 also gone. So we have 10x over x minus 3 times x plus 2. So the answer is 10x over x minus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, next is indices. Division of the indices is subtraction of the power. Yeah, remember. So we have a to the power of x. Yeah, divided by a to the power of y. This is equal to a to the power of x minus y. Okay, so when we have 2 to the power of 12 divided by 2 to the power of k over 2, this is equal to 32. So this is division of the indices, so become subtraction of the power. So 2 to the power of 12 minus k over 2. This is equal to, change into 2 base number, so 2 to the power of 5. Because the base number is already same, so we have 12 minus k over 2 will be equal to 5. So then we have 12 minus 5 will be equal to k over 2. So this is 7 equal to k over 2. So k will be equal to 14. Okay, next. Just expand this one. Okay, I expand the first. Y plus 3, y minus 4, and then times 2y minus 1. Yep, expand for the first two parentheses. So we have y squared minus 4y plus 3y minus 12, it's times 2y minus 1. So simplify this one, y squared minus y minus 12 times 2y minus 1. Okay, expand this one. Okay, no more parentheses. Okay, so we have 2y cubed, this time this, minus y squared, this time this, minus 2y squared, this time this, plus y, this is minus 24y plus 12. So then we have 2y cubed, okay, minus 3y squared, this is minus 23y plus 12. So it's 2y cubed minus 3y squared minus 23y plus 12. Okay, next, make x a subject. Okay, so when we have x equal to 3 plus x over y, to cross multiply, so xy equal to 3 plus x. Yeah, I subtracted by x for both sides, so then I have xy minus x equal to 3. I factorize the x, so y minus 1 equal to 3. So x equal to 3 over y minus 1. So x equal to 3 over y minus 1.